Okay, next we will introduce the 10-inch ring light and pack with the tripod, right?
Yes, okay.
Yes. And you can see the label
Box.
box. Yes, you can see 10-inch ring light for the design. Yes.
And here also
The-
have a label made
Yes.
in China.
Yes.
Yes.
We consider some countries import the customs inquiry. Yeah.
Yes. And the box we support to customize your logo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any quantity we can customize your logo on the box, like here or some space. We can customize your logo here, right?
Yes. But we most recommend to order 200 pieces.
Yes, if reach 200 pieces, we can make your design, or we can help you design to make the new one color box. Yes.
For free.
Yes, for free.
Okay.
Okay, let's
Let's
open.
do open the box. The first one is the carry bag.
Yes, the
Yes.
carry bag for the 10-inch ring light.
Yes.
Besides, we also have the carry bag for different inch ring light, like the 13-inch,
And
18-inch, yes, 14-inch. We also have the carry bag available.
Yes. And this is the ring light, 10-inch ring light. We already introduced the detail.
Yes. And one phone holder. Yes, you can see. Just now we make a catch of phone with these phone holders. You can see. This show the detail for you. Can be stand for any size of phone.
Yes. And this one is the connecting part
Yes.
to connect the ring light and the tripod.
Yes. And the other sell point for this together pack ring light and tripod is this one, this set with the Bluetooth remote control. Yes, you can see. You can use this for camera, Photoshop, and also the video. Yes, right. Just easy use. Yes.
Yes, it's very easy to turn on the Bluetooth control, then connect the Bluetooth with your mobile phone or camera.
Yes.
Yes.
You can see the small light here shining. It
Yes.
means this power is on, right?
Yes.
Yes. Very easy to use.
And this one is the foldable 1.6
6-meter tripod. Yes. We make this complete set with this tripod. As just now we have introduced each so detailed. Yes.
Yes. And we can customize your logo on the carrier bag
Yes.
and the ring light and the
Color box. Yes. And if reach, just attention again, if you reach 200 pieces, we can customize the color box for you for free.
Yes.
And if you order 300 pieces, we can customize the logo on the product website for free. Yes. And the carry bag also the same quality.
Yes. And this box is so big, so you can add some more small things.
Yes, small items, some small products to this color box for save your shipping costs.
Yes.
Because this is so many, you can see so many space to include some small items.
Yes.
Like
Such as the
That's tripod. Yes, we can also make it inside. And also the small selfie ring light, you can see. It's also easy use.
Yes.
Okay. You can just make it tight here for the phone.
Yes.
We also can make it into this color box. And this also is the rechargeable one. And we will include USB cable
Yes.
inside and a menu, also full set. Yes, for this ring light.
Yeah.
Besides, we can also add
Label microphone.
yes.
Yeah.
You can see this some kind of small items. We can add it into this set.
Yes. This is the label microphone.
Yes.
And with the PU bag package. Yeah. You can use this with your mobile phone and camera or laptop.
Yes.
Yes.
In addition, we can add the adapter, yes, the plug for these products. As we know, the vintage ring light work with a USB cable. Yes, you can also link it for use. You can see this is the 5-volt 2A. Yes, and this is the EU specification, right? Also, we have the
US
yes
and UK
available, right?
Yes.
And we sell these small items with competitive price. So you can, if you are interested in this complete set or interested in this small item, you can send inquiry
to
us. Yes, we will operate it for you immediately.
Yeah. So we most recommend to purchase this package. It's very convenient to take the ring light to everywhere to make photo or make the vlog.
Yes, because it is the carry bag.